Welcome to this video on English demonstrative pronouns. We will explore how to use this, that, these, and those correctly. In this video, you will master the definition of demonstrative pronouns, how to use them in sentences, and the rules for singular versus plural and near versus far. Demonstrative pronouns are spatial pointers used to identify or point out specific things. They function like a finger pointing at objects to indicate location and quantity. Here is a quick reference chart for demonstrative pronouns. Use this and these for near objects, and that and those for far objects. Singular nouns take this and that, while plural nouns take these and those. First, this is used for one object that is close to the speaker. Keep the I sound short and crisp to avoid confusion with the word these. Second, that refers to one specific thing that is farther away. When pronouncing it, open your mouth wide for the A sound. Third, use these for multiple items that are close to you. Ensure you stress the long EE sound and end with a clear, voiced Z sound. Finally, those refers to multiple items that are far away in space or time. Practice the long rounded O sound, followed by a soft Z. Let's look at real-world examples. This is my plant for a singular near object. These are my books for plural near objects, and those are mountains for plural far objects. Time for a quick quiz. If an object is right in your hands, which pronoun do you use? The answer is this. Here is our summary formula. This for singular near, that for singular far, these for plural near, and those for plural far. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this lesson helped unlock your English potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more lessons.